Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to walk you through currency converter for OperaGX or OperaGX currency converter. Now what does this mean? You see, whenever you select a text corresponding to monetary value such as $30, 10.50 ZL and whatever this is, or 2.00 Bitcoin, the search pop-up will convert it to your desired currency. For the currency converter to work properly, the corresponding currency symbol must be highlighted along with the numerical value. You can copy the converted value to your clipboard by hovering your pointer over the value and clicking the revealed copy button. The currency converter uses your location at the time you installed Opera to determine your currency, or you can disable this feature or change your currency on the settings page. This brings us to the next part, how to change your default currency on OperaGX. So to do this, it's quite simple. Let's go to settings. So let's say from the home menu here, right click on settings, click on features from the left, then the right here, scroll all the way down until you see screen pop up. Make sure it is enabled and you can see the currency, and then you change it to the currency you want. It's as simple as that. Now once you've done this, so once you've changed it, it is done. You can see this is how it is done. Now to disable the currency converter, you can just turn off on text selection, convert currency to. Now how do you disable this? Let me show you again. You remember, from the home menu, click on settings, then left hand side here, click on features, and then scroll all the way down until you see search pop up, and then make sure this is enabled, and then you can see currency 2. This is enabled, so turn it off to disable it, or you can just simply change it from USD to none, change the currency to none, and you disable the feature for currency converter. It's as simple as that. Now if let's look at what else we can do. Now here's a list of currencies which Opera can convert, which is Australian dollar, Bulgarian, Brazilian, and the rest of them. Can't pronounce some of this, sorry. So here we are. So please note that currencies which share the same symbol will by default convert to US dollar. For this first one, Norwegian krone, Japanese yen, and the British pound, respectively, if no other currency abbreviation is highlighted. So the currency converter can also convert 4 cryptocurrencies like BTC, Bitcoin, BTH, Bitcoin Cash, ETH, Ethereum, and LTC, Litecoin. The currency conversion is based on 2 reference rates reported either by the European Central Bank using Euro as its base currency, or the National Bank of Ukraine (NBU) using the high-end, I don't know how to pronounce this, as its base currency. So I'll just call it high-near. The default currency converter option is set to ECB, that is European Central Bank. According to ECB, its reference rates are updated on working days, excluding target closing days, generally Saturdays, Sundays, and certain holidays. The ECB's reference rates are based on a regular daily consultation procedure between central banks across Europe. If you want to learn more about this, click on this spot. I'm not ready to do that for now. That's not important. Now, reference rates usually using the NBU are updated in 2 groups, daily or monthly, according to the exchange rates of the Ukraine hryvnia against foreign currencies. If you want to read more about it, check out NBU exchange rates. Just type it on your browser and you'll see it. So rates are not verified by Opera, and you should confirm current rates with your financial institution before engaging in any transaction. It's as simple as that.